Hello everyone, this is me Sharon and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this new set of hooks that I bought. So stay tuned and watch until the end of this video. Alright, so this one came today. I ordered it last week. After 1 week of waiting, finally dumating na rin. Let's see what's inside. So this is what we have. So I ordered this 2.5mm na tulip Etimo red. And then I also bought another one which is the number 2. Which is 2mm crochet hook. So, usually, ito yung ginagamit ko for amigurumi. Yan. Pero, syempre, mayroong mas maliit pa dyan, which I usually use. Kaya, umorder na rin ako. Let's try to unbox these hooks that I've just bought. Unahin natin itong tulip Etimo red. So, I was supposed to order yung one set from another seller. Kaso, kasi nga, I have to pay it this month. I thought I could pay it in October. Kaya lang, since I have to budget, so yun, hindi natuloy. But then, since I have tulip Etimo gray, so I decided to just buy singles na lang. Almost the same naman ang feel niya dun sa Etimo na gray. Kaya naman hindi na ako nag-push pa na bumili ng one set is that I can just add this 2 crochet hook in here. So parang at least meron akong different sizes of the hooks and I don't need to buy the set kung meron naman akong tulip Etimo na gray. So I bought this one for 500 pesos each. I know it's pricey, but for me, matagal ko din siyang pinag-isipan kung bibili ko nga ba or hindi. And I guess it's about time na bumili na ako because I think they're the most comfortable ones. And these are the tulip Etimo grade that I just bought. Meron din akong unboxing nito. You can watch in my previous video. And then, ito yung additional, you know, the 2 hooks I'm about to use for my other projects. So, parang, nakompleto ko na rin yung mga sizes except for the 3mm. And I don't have the 2.75. Hindi siya makinang matte itong dalawa na to. It's beautiful. I like the red one better. But of course, dito naman sa tulip Etimo na nabili ko, I like this organizer. Kasi nga, meron siyang zipper. Pwede mo pang langyan ng mga stitch markers. I think this one is enough for me. I bought this one. 1.75. The brand is Pony. It cost 300 pesos. So, if you're gonna look closer, ano siya? Steel hook siya. So, one of the cheapest among the other brands are Pony, Susan Bates, Boy, may mga ganon. Yung mga simple lang, yung walang handle. Ito, for the price of 300, okay na rin. Kasi, I think, it will be more comfortable to crochet doilies. Kasi, hindi na ako mahihirapan na hawakan. Kasi pag sobrang close yung paghawak mo sa mga steel hooks, hindi mo matagalan na gamitin, diba? So, for me, I think I need this one talaga. Parang ang sarap niya gamitin. And, good thing naman na yung mga additional crochet hooks na nabili ko is, ano sila, iba't iba ng sizes. So, ito naman yung Tunisian crochet hook. While I was checking on the Oh My Yarn website, so I checked the brand Pony. Meron pala silang Tunisian circular crochet. I was going to buy this one sana sa Amazon kasi meron ako nakita na ganito lang and then double-ended siya. Although this one isn't double-ended, meron siyang ano dito, parang cable sa gitna, which is okay na rin naman for big projects. Like you can make an infinity scarf with this one, bags, anything na rounded, pwedeng-pwede siya. Meron akong DIY or ginawa na bamboo, tapos yung magkabilang dulo, pinagpareho ko sila ng size. This one is different kasi meron siyang cable. May mabibili kayo na mga Tunisian crochet hook na double-ended lang siya. Yun. So, you can use that for doing Tunisian crochet in rounds. Ito naman for bigger projects. Pero dahil nga, syempre, wala akong mabilhan ng double-ended na hook. Pwede na rin siya for my other projects na kung saan nga rounded yung gagawin ko. And, if you have seen most of my tutorials, I love working the stitches in rounds. But I also have tutorials of stitches done in rows. So, isama ko rin siya sa tutorial ko for beginners if you want to learn how to crochet in rows. So, for this Tunisian crochet, ano siya, for doing the Tunisian crochet in rounds. So, if you're interested in learning Tunisian crochet in rounds and kung gusto niyo bumili ng hook, you can buy this at the Oh My Yarn page, FB page, or they have a website wherein you can order online. You can pay via PayMaya or GCash or bank deposit. So, madali lang umorder sa kanila. They usually send the delivery via JRS. So, ayan. So, this was shipped last Wednesday. Tapos, dumating siya today. So, medyo mabilis lang. So happy that I have an Etimo red. This one is made in Japan. So, makikita nyo, meron siyang 2/0. Usually, Japan pala yung ganitong klaseng sizing ng hooks. And yung nabili ko naman, ito is US version. Kaya meron siya mga G6. Ito yung mga code for US version. Pero made in Japan din siya. Kaya nga lang, US version siya. Now, for this one naman, itong pony hook, steel hook na may ergonomic handle, ano siya, made in India. So, malambot ang feel niya, rubber siya. And for sure, hindi na ako mahihirapan na mag-crochet ng mga doilies. Lalo na kapag gumagamit ako ng mga crochet thread. So, mahilig din kasi akong gumawa ng doilies for home decors and other stuff. So, maganda siya for those who have like yung may mga arthritis dyan, yung madaling mangala yung kamay. So, maganda gamitin ito. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will add the link below of where I bought this crochet hooks. You can check for on their website. Marami sila mga branded hooks na mabibili nyo. If you don't like these kinds, meron naman sila mga double-ended tulip na crochet hooks na I'm sure matutuwa kayo kasi branded siya pero very affordable. So, thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!